Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Gather all ingredients and set up a clean workspace with ventilation and safety gear. For a 2 lb cold process batch, use 32 Oz total oils, 16 Oz olive oil, 8 Oz coconut oil, and 8 Oz shea butter to balance lather and conditioning. Prepare 4 Oz of sea moss gel by blending soaked sea moss with 2 Oz distilled water until smooth. Measure 5 Oz sodium hydroxide and 12 Oz distilled water separately, keeping them apart until ready. Have a digital scale, thermometer, stick blender, spatula, and lined mold on hand. Make the lye solution carefully by slowly adding 5 Oz sodium hydroxide to 12 Oz distilled water. Stir until dissolved and allow it to cool in a heatproof jar. Heat the 32 Oz oil blend gently to about 100 degrees F, and cool both lye solution and oils to roughly 100 degrees F before combining to avoid separation. Pour the lye into oils and use a stick blender, pulsing to reach a light trace. Then add 4 Oz sea moss gel and 1 tsp rosemary extract for preservation. Continue blending to a medium trace with ribbon-like drips. Once your batter has reached medium trace, pour it into a line mold and tap the mold gently to release trapped air bubbles. Smooth the top, optionally texture with a spatula, then insulate the mold with a towel to allow gentle gel phase for about 24 hours. Unmold after 24 hours, cut into bars, and place them on a ventilated rack to cure for 4 to 6 weeks. Flip bars weekly for even drying. Before use, test a bar with pH strips to confirm pH below 10, and label each bar with ingredients and cure date.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.